Hey guys, Don Martone here. I am live with broker owner of C21 North East, Mr. Jim D'Amico.
Thank you, sir.
Jim, thanks for coming down to Rhode Island territory today.
Garden City today.
Garden City, Cranston, Rhode Island. Hey Jim, we've been thinking for a long time, you and I. We've been trying to come up with what agents need. Where are they gonna get the most value? Where are they gonna make the most money? And we think we have it.
We have it. We definitely have it. It's the C21 North East CYBERSTATE model.
C21 North East CYBERSTATE. That's what it's called. This is a virtual model, but Jim, it's not so virtual, right?
It's like an unvirtual model. So we're giving the compensation as a virtual compensation. We're talking 80-20 with a very reasonable cap and low fees. And then what we're giving the agents is access to the space. We're giving them access to the conference rooms, the printers, the sign installations are even
all
included.
of that.
And on top of all that, the brokerage is eating the franchise fee cost.
The brokerage is eating. We're gonna eat the franchise fee?
Eating the franchise fees.
Oh my God. Wow, Jim, C21 North East CYBERSTATE model. It sounds like it has everything. I'm gonna recap.
Okay, let's do it.
80-20 go.
80-20 go competitive cap.
Competitive cap. Once you cap, it's 100% commission.
We eat the franchise.
You eat the franchise fees. Copies, sign installation,
Support, training.
how many offices?
40 locations.
40 locations.
Throughout New England.
This sounds like it has it all.
We forgot two things.
Two things.
We've got a tidy IRA match program, and we also have revenue share.
Revenue share.
Revenue share. So when you bring your friends to C21 Northeast, you share in the revenue from their success.
Oh my God. How are they going to learn about this deal, this incredible deal?
Well, they can visit our website at c21ne.com and they can schedule a 30-minute free coaching session with Don, myself, or one of our senior leaders.
Oh my God. Give us a call today, 401-954-0270. Jim, how can they reach you?
617-680-3464.
All right, talk to you soon, man. Thank you so much.
Yeah, brother. Thank you.